So this is the unboxing of my new iPhone Pro. So I recently got this. This is a green color iPhone Pro, and it's a 256 GB model, as you can see. Yeah, so I've just recently got this for my Christmas this year, and I just wanted to show you guys how the phone is and how it works. Apparently the camera seems to be really good on this one, so let us go on and do the unboxing and see how the thing is. So okay, so the casing is quite good and they've spent a lot of money on this. Okay, so this is the phone. Okay, so it's pretty light. It's not as heavy as the older versions, and it says here things USA, and it doesn't say the assembled in California thing here like the previous model used to be. So let's see what else is in the box. So now they've given this instruction thing with it. Okay, okay, so that they come with 2 stickers. Apparently no one uses this, but they do keep on sending with everything. Yeah, but anyway. Okay, so that's the SIM inserter there, and okay, so that's all. Oh, look at this. So with this you get these headphones. Again, these are wired headphones, not wireless. So that's a shame, Apple. You should give some bit more like AirPods to the customers, not the regular wired headphones. Who uses these? Okay guys, I will send this. Like my video, and this will be sent as a gift to you guys. Just one. I've got just one, so I'll give only one as a gift. Okay, so there's this lightning cable to charge it up, and they have this brick charge. Apparently this is a fast charge. Yeah, is it European? Yeah, it is European plug, as you can see. And yeah, so that's the cable. I don't know why they cover it like a messy. Yeah, that's the cable, and you have this USB-C and cable on this end. So I'm gonna put this on charge now, and let me see whether there is any juice in it. I don't think so there is any juice, but let us see. Oh, there is some. There is some juice in the phone already. But ideally they say you need to charge it 12 hours or so before starting to use. Yeah, so the back is basically fingerprint resistant, so no matter how much ever you touch, it doesn't put your fingerprints there, but still it will, I'm pretty sure it will get easily scratched. So yeah, so I've got this case from Anchor to protect the phone itself. So yeah, so this is easily available on Amazon. This is a Anchor case with side protection, more side protection. This video is not sponsored by Anchor, but I just bought this case because it was pretty cheap. Yes, okay, that's all really. Thank you.